Morning guys, in front of me is Redmi 14R and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first open new message, then click on start chat and that's the panel that we need to open. So if you'll open it via notes, browser, whatever, it doesn't matter, just open your keypad. Now mark settings, go to languages, select add keyboard, and now either provide in search area the language that you want to apply or scroll till you find it, however you prefer, however you like. And just click on the language that you want to apply, tap on done. Now you can stay with 2 languages if you want. And you'll be able to switch between them smoothly by tapping on this word icon. Or okay, just open the keypad. Or you can remove one language only. So let me remove unnecessary one. And once you've got one language only, this word icon disappears and you can smoothly use selected language. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.